Now this is what I'm talking about. 1969 Camaro Yenko clone. Real Yenkos have been selling for five, six, $700,000, even $2 million just recently. This is a tribute to that car. It has a genuine 1969 427 motor under the hood with factory GM aluminum heads, completely restored to authentic condition with one nice upgrade. They just put in a 5-speed instead of the 4-speed. And when you're out on the road, on the highway especially, that fifth gear makes it real nice. Got a posi rear end, 373, frame off restored, gorgeous colors, but I don't need to tell you that. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Scan the QR code on your screen at any time. It'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, isn't that pretty? The LeMans blue with the white stripes, white interior, stands real nice and proud. Just a great, great looking car. So it has the metal cowl hood, all fits nice and square and flush, and it's straight. And same thing with the fenders and the doors, all clean, all straight, all the way down to the bottom, all nice, clean metal. The door fits very nicely, opens easily, jambs are painted very nicely, shuts like a new car. The pillars are nice, no cracking. The roof and the quarter panels coming down, all nice, clean, straight. Even behind the tires, there are some little rock chips way down underneath, but all of that is straight, clean metal. Same with the trunk, all fits beautifully, has a rear spoiler. All of this is nice, clean, straight metal. Now the cowl tag that's on there does call for LeMans blue, upper and lower with no vinyl top, and an ivory interior. That's what the tag decodes as. So all down here, again, maybe a couple little tiny little rock chips, but all clean, straight metal. Look at how that door fits so nicely. Jambs painted up real nice. Shuts real nice. Beautiful. The metallic is laid out. The clear coat is glossy. All the Yenko stripes are decals. That's the way Yenko did it. So those are exact duplicates of the original. Has the 427 emblem on the hood. There's no SS emblems or anything because they weren't super sports. So it has the nice grille, nice bumper, lenses, front spoiler. All that's just very nice and clean looking. The windshield's replaced. The stainless moldings were replaced. It has the Yenko emblem right here below the Camaro. The mirrors, door handles, the rubber seals, the weather strips, the rain gutter, all that looks real nice. All been replaced. They did offer the 15-inch torque thrust wheels back then. They were on, I don't know, I guess about half the Yenkos. Others had rally wheels, so that is a reproduction of what would have been on these back then. 15-inch torque thrust wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires that look to be very fresh. The back window has been replaced, crystal clear. The molding's real nice. The marker lights, bumper, lenses, everything's looking real good. You got a 427 Yenko emblems right there. Yeah, it's a good looking car. Let's open it up, continue the tour, and wait till I show you what's under that hood. All right, let's check out the trunk compartment. Well, underneath is painted glossy blue, has the stickers, the jams painted, has the weather strip. You can see inside's nice clean metal with a spatter finish. Looks like the wiring is new as well. You can go to volocars.com, but go to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And when you subscribe, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. Yeah, like I said, the jams are glossy, weather strips are replaced. Has a complete reproduction, ivory, white interior. You can see the door panels, armrests, been replaced. Now this is all replaced. Look at the vents, the knobs, the wood grain. 3,600 miles since it's been done. Has 140 mile an hour speedometer. Dash pad's new. Has the rear gas gauge in the middle because it has a tachometer over here. All this is stock, the radio, the controls. And then down below here, which was typical of a lot of the Yenkos, because they weren't decked out with options, they would put the gauges to oil the water, the volt gauge below the dash. Even matching that knob and the lighter. Glove box is new. So all this looks real nice and fresh. I can see there's sound deadener behind the carpet there. Kick panel's real nice. Carpet's installed very nicely. Now, they had a 4-speed in it. This is all new. We'll talk more about it, but the 5-speed transmission was recently put in. Has the seat belts. I can tell you by sitting on the seat, the cushion's been redone. Yeah, tight as a drum. Reupholstered. Yenko Super Coupe decals. The seat backs have been replaced. You have seat belts in the back, and this looks like it's been reupholstered, and the side panel's replaced. Well, it looks very nice, the way the white really pops. The whole rear shelf, trim, all looking real good. The headliner fits very nicely. It's got the shoulder belts, working dome lights, nice matching visors. The mirror looks new. Reproduction stock steering wheel. Again, no SS emblem because Yenkos were not super sports. Yeah, nice inside. The way it would have been. So you'll see Yenko clones, Yenko tributes, and they'll have 427 stickers, and they might be a 454 out of a 1977 motorhome or something, but this is an actual 1969 427 engine with factory GM aluminum heads, the factory GM aluminum intake. And those are big ports, rectangle ports. And underneath there is a dual feed Holley carb, which is what they would have had as the right fuel line. This one is upgraded with an electric choke. Has the vintage style finned aluminum valve covers. And then the firewall and all the components look real good. A big block heater core, GM hoses and clamps, painted nicely. All the trim up here, the horns, the wiring, the shroud, everything's looking real good. All the pulleys and components look real nice. Has the curved neck radiator. I think that's unique to the 427s. We have power steering. Look how nice the suspension is. All the power brakes looks like it's been replaced. Cadmium plated booster. Squirters are hooked up. Oh, we didn't even talk about the cowl induction. This one is the complete cowl induction air cleaner. Then under the hood has the insulation. So very nice engine compartment, and that is the real deal. 427 with aluminum heads. That's something you don't see too often. Michael's going to show you how good it runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
Sound of 427 there. Good way to start off the morning. Yeah, it's got that full custom exhaust with X-pipe. Really nice rumble there. Smooth downshift. They're ready to rock. A little street beast. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we are officially speaking. I have to bring it way down. Kind of unexpected power there. I know it's a 427, but this one's got a real nice build on it. We're holding about 60 miles an hour, and 1800 RPMs, it looks like. So you got some good cruisability there, and feels nice and tight in the front end too. I did pull a U-turn with it off camera, and she's super tight. Like it. So yeah, come down, take it for a test drive, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So body off frame restoration, I know it's just a subframe up front, but everything was removed from under the car, and it was all restored back to factory condition. So all of the suspension, the steering, completely rebuilt, detailed, although it does have traction bars in the back, and it's the old school kind that you would have seen on a Yenko back then. Brake system was all redone, keeping it stock, disc in front, drum in back, the lines, the e-brake cables all replaced, fuel system all replaced, including the tank. It does have an upgraded exhaust system. It's a pipes system, so it has fatter pipe, X pipe, all stainless steel. Sounds sweet. Looking up at the motor, nice clean Chevy orange, original type starter. Now the transmission I mentioned, they did install that recently. It was a new Tremec 5-speed trans, new clutch, new shift linkage, new drive shaft. That drive shaft leads back to the 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. The floors are all nice, clean, smooth metal. Again, everything's painted, detailed. Just a nice restoration throughout. Extra sharp looking. And again, the Yenkos, they've been on fire going up and up and up. So this isn't the real one, thank God, because this one's a fraction of the price. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this 69 Camaro, the 427, delivered to your door. Financing, insurance, they can help with all that. Thanks for watching.